Hiya, I'm back. I just took the slime that I'm trying to unglue out of the fridge. It's looking like this. It's not too jiggly. Oh, that's actually slime again. It's a bit sticky, so I'm just gonna put a bit more, a tiny bit of activator in. Mixy, mixy. Okay, it's coming together. I'll mix it in with everything. Yeah, it's good. I'm just gonna put it in a tiny bit more. I'm actually using Vaseline as not moisturizer, activator, because it works really well. I'm not lying, look. Look at that stretch. Y'all should start doing this. Anyway, bye.